Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is Gethsemane. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is Gethsemane. The word Gethsemane comes from the Aramaic Gat Shemane, which literally means oil press. It refers to the garden at the foot of the Mount of Olives, where olives were crushed for oil. And the nuance is significant. Just as the olives are pressed and crushed to bring out their precious oil, Jesus himself experienced the deepest pressing of his soul in this place of agony. And the Gospel of Mark tells us, then they came to a place named Gethsemane, and he said to his disciples, sit here while I pray. Yung pangalan na yun, Gethsemane, makikita natin yun kay Mateo at kay Marcos. Kay San Lucas, it is referred to as yung bundok ng mga olibo, the Mount of Olives. But it's the same place. Now, from this word, we do not derive many English terms, but its name has entered deeply into Christian memory. We know Gethsemane. It stands as a symbol for every believer in that place of trial, fear, and surrender. And many churches and hymns also carry the name. And they remind us of Jesus' lonely struggle and the obedience to the Father's will. Nanalangin si Jesus dun sa hardin ng Gethsemane. Now, for us Christians, Gethsemane challenges us. When our own lives feel pressed, do we run away? Or do we, like Jesus, fall to our knees and say, not my will, but yours be done? Gethsemane is not just a place on the map, but a manner of choice between despair and trust, between fear and surrender to God's will. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.